Hello students, let me continue now. I would now request the convener of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Ms. Shilpa Sangani, to welcome the beacon of our institution. Beacon means here an important and respected person who is a source of inspiration to others. I would now request our school captain and cultural in charge, Ms. Subhada Muraka, to welcome our ever-inspiring dynamic principal, Dr. Ajinkya Paraki sir. Our enthusiastic vice principal will be welcomed by Ms. Anaga Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anaga. Here, who are they? The question is asked. Who is Avadut Pathak? Who is Avadut Pathak? Who is Mr. Subhada Muraka? Who is Mr. Ajinkya Paraki? All these things you have to find out. Our enthusiastic vice principal will be welcomed by Miss Anaga Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anaga. Hello students. Mr. Avadut Pathak is the president of Balanand Academy. Ms. Subhada Muraka, school captain and cultural in charge. Dr. Ajinkya Paraki is the principal of Balanand Academy. Now, let us see the next program here. Introductory speech. We also call in Marathi Prastavik Bhashan. To appraise you about the art festival, I request the principal, respected Dr. Ajinkya Paraki, to deliver his introductory speech. Describe the book that is released. See, all these questions you have to answer properly. The book, here I am going to tell you something about the book. The book is a volume of comprising photograph of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art contributed by the skillful students of Balanand Vidyalaya. Why does the compare thank the chief guest? Because the compare thanks the chief guest for releasing the book and formally inaugurating the art festival. Now let us go ahead. Friends, we have prepared here a volume of comprising photograph of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed today in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contributions from our students. I request the chief guest to release this special book on this occasion and formally inaugurate the art festival. Thank you, sir. I know this has aroused curiosity in you to see the exhibition. After this program, you can take that pleasure. Here actually, in which manner the program is arranged, we can see properly. And this lesson is very helpful you to when you arrange small functions at school.